So this is one of our joints, what's called a TY branch. It's hard to see it from there. Go back there. It's a branch duct where there's a couple coming together. Up close, I want to show you. That right there is where our flange is coming together. That's an air bomb and an air seal. And then once this gets insulated up, this all goes together and it completely seals the system. It's insulated and air sealed. Goes that way, back, forth, and then our other branch goes that way and out. So I'm going to show you some of our ductwork that we're putting together and the reasons why we're doing it this way. Let's picture one of our Y branches and see if you see that seam right there that's completely air sealed. Right there all the way around. And so this is our branch, a TY branch. Branches off a Y branch. Now the duct that we're putting it to is this one. It's going up. But the most important thing is this right here. This thing right here is called a mastic air bomb. Some of them call it pookie, but it actually air seals the duct. So as we slide this TY branch into it, James, grab it and slide it in. As we slide that in, he's going to make a seam. As that seals right there, it's actually sealing to our TY branch. That right there is a 20-year, 30-year seal. It's an air seal. And then after that point, we're going to actually put a panduit strap, which is a zip tie, on that layer. Then we're going to pull that insulation right there over the top of it and completely seal that Y branch so that it maintains temperature. We don't lose temperature in the attic. So that's one of the very important things to do whenever you're doing your system. So again, those are two of the things that we do to make sure that the system itself is tight, secure. We insulate the duct with R8, which is a little bit thicker insulation. Then we get that mastic seal and seal that joint and then seal the TY so you're not losing air through those little cracks and crevices. And then it seals the duct, the actual flex duct, to that TY branch, so there's no loss of seal there. And that's the right way to do it in the beginning and makes your system so it's that much better. It's Clough Mechanical, 602-765-COOL.